Have you ever needed a strong, reliable and robust PoE switch that can operate off 12 volts? A switch that can handle the demands of hot and cold environments? Solar solutions are becoming ever more popular, and having the right switch for your solution is key to its operation. So let's take a look at this, the ISW-504PT. The switch itself complies with IEEE standards and is capable of up to 4 ports of PoE devices. It has a PoE budget of 120 watts and supports up to 36 watts per port. The ISW-504PT provides a power solution that can accept a wide range of voltages from 12 to 48 volts DC. It also provides dual redundant reversible polarity protection, 4 real-time PoE powered usage indicators. The IP40 metal industrial case provides a high level of immunity against electromagnetic interference and heavy electrical surges. It features a ventilated construction, meaning a cooling fan is not necessary, therefore making its operation noiseless. It can also be mounted either by DIN rail or wall mount. So how do we use this in a solar solution? The ISW-504PT is capable of accepting a voltage input of 12 to 48 volts DC. You can power the switch from a car battery and possibly connect up to 3 IP cameras and a wireless access point. And if you're using this in a total remote location, you can also use the data port to connect to a 4G router. All of this equipment put together in a solar kit enclosure in combination with an MPPT charger is the perfect solar solution. If you're after a switch that can operate reliably and is stable in any hardened environment without affecting its performance, the ISW-504PT will do just that. The ability to power this switch from a 12 volt DC is perfect for any solar solution. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you like what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can get notified of our latest videos. At EQL, we're always here to help and support your business.